Hakabayday bat kajing akan at keblami hapdeng tinong kersyan jangki artlig sengsen pertai berkentup ke NPP bat ke Kongres hakasnong Garo Dobi ke bahap apok ke Raja Bala Konstituensi menhaka arpunyo terik urisau ya sangut kibriau la kemno Deputy Commissioner ke District West Garo Hills Uram Singh uliathu ba kejing tokit ke pulit lorgane kejing ja kadang ya ceprang bat la tokit ikini sangut kibriau ke belasya akem bat ya ka mokot dumala register kenang ban lapsho saya kiwi dan keti hagane ke jingja. Ya ka kendon iwe saw CRPC lapen trekam hagane ke snong. Chief Electoral Officer ke Jela Meghalaya uba FR Kharkongor pliatho ba hakabede hagane ke jingja lala ban temno e ke jinglong jingman. Labata aru yo Deputy Commissioner bat kiwi officer ke bedai kemi e ke jingsong sngan ba kin kemi bah bandon ke jingsong sngan bat banyada nakum kini ke jingja. Gladon ru ke jingyalang Hagabale Shimbanta dagi Deputy Commissioner ke East Khasi Hills bat West Garo Hills badu Chief Nodal Officer bakan top ru yaki Superintendent ki Pulit Hagaban ya kren ya ke jinglong jingman om tang na ke jingja ndrai manwara ke jingsingan hakabedai bat ke election ke Bansalong ka jing pahara hang ne jaka la perking bha bat ki Pulit ikmi bha ya ke jinglong jingman Chief Electoral Officer dia tu basau perton ki sipai na ke sarkar preng gilawan poi kenang banwan ra ke jingsingan ba ke jing pahara ha ke ni snong la ban kedau hang ne ba ha ke ni ka election steng samoy ke Bansalong kidon arp khandai tli ki jaka ke besong sir ha Raja Bala pratli ha morun keneng bat chipotli ha Mauklang constituency.
There was a meeting of the Congress. After the meeting was over, I think some of the rival candidates, they threw stone on our party when they coming back. So many of them got injured. So naturally when the crowd was there, so our people will start retaliating. So the problems now is that what the present government is doing is they only arrest the Congress workers. They did not arrest those people who started the pelting of stones on our people. So we already lodged an FIR from our side. And they also, I think, they have lodged a counter FIR from their side. So after this press briefing, I'll be talking to the Deputy Commissioner as well as to the SP. And I was trying to reach to Kharkongor also, so that I can tell him whatever action should be taken for both sides, not only on one side. So because they'll try to scare our people so that they'll not do it. So this was planned, and might be the government knows that, especially NPP knows that the Congress is strong, so they are trying to find ways and means how to stop the people, how to threaten the people. So we are going to counter that.
So it appears prima facie that the whole clash was basically like a kind of political rivalry. It was a clash between the two supporters belonging to ANC and the NPP, and also this clash actually started at the end of the political campaign, which ended at 4 o'clock, and in the process of returning home, a group of people had marched in a procession via Rajabala, via the Rajabala Bazaar area to Gorodobi and Margumari, Pachkandi, and Nayagaon and Old Bhaitbari and Keradawa areas. So there was a written complaint which was received by the election agent of the NPP. There was an election complaint from the election agent of the NPP. It was received, and on the basis of that, a formal FIR was also filed, and also the magistrate in charge of the flying squad team also filed an FIR. So as per the report, this group clash consisted of about 21 people, and most of whom sustained minor injuries, not any major injuries, and these 21 people who were involved in the clash belonged to both the NPP as well as the INC parties. So there was no report of any hospitalization. They just sustained minor injuries, and they were discharged after receiving the primary first aid. Then as per the report that I received from the DO, 4 persons have been arrested in this connection, And also immediately the DC is also in fact imposed the section 144 in that area. And in addition to that, there's a lot of patrolling that is on in that area. The OC of Fulbari and the SP and the SDPO are reviewing that situation very closely so that there are no further flare-ups